What's going on, boys? Good morning. It is Friday, the first official day of Mega Ride, and right here we have the first Factory Z Stash and Dash. I just woke up. As you can probably tell, I'm not awake yet. So we need to go get coffee. We need to go hide the first Factory Z Stash and Dash. Good morning, boys. And then we need to get to the ride out because last night I hosted a ride out and then I slept right through it. So today we're not doing that. We're gonna show up on time. Oh shit. Oh no. Whoa, whoa. Chill out, fam. I'll hide the Stash and Dash. Bro, what the f? This is why you don't book a goddamn Airbnb in the hood, boys. What the f, gang? I don't know what's happening. Maybe a couple more of them horse kicks and we got it. What the f, bro? All right, let's get the f out of here. We mustn't forget the Stash and the Dash. Good morning, America! And we have successfully made it out the hood without getting robbed. Let's go. All right. The one thing everybody is saying, do not do while you're in Miami. Do not ride on the sidewalk. Hello, sir. Too bad. I'm not trying to risk my life today. Hello, sir. There's one thing that we really need right now, and that is pegs. I have stock pegs. My feet are slipping and sliding all over, just like the 5th grade again. God damn it. Why, hello, fine. No, bruh. Are you kidding me? They put the mother bridge down right as I showed up, dog. God damn it. God damn it. Coffee in the system. We have 30 minutes to make it to the ride out at Miami Heat Stadium. I can't lie, I have no clue where that is, but let's get it. I have this genius idea. I think I'm gonna put this motherfucker right here. I gotta warm up real quick. Whoa, why is this thing dogging out on me? I'm in drive. Maybe I need sport. Oh my God, that feels like a start. Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
How's it going today?
Doing well, how are you?
Good, good. What's happening?
Now we have to ride our bike.
We're cooked!
Bro.
We're cooked!
R.I.P. bike ride.
All right, boys. We have a shift lock and a gold motor cover. So we need to find somebody on a Surron. Miami Mayo! It's so good to see you again, bro. You're all healed up now? Let's go, bro. Been good, bro. Been good. Hey, it's nice to be back out here. This your bike now? Yeah. Good shit. You're back on a bike, back on a Surron. Yeah. Hey. Hey, yo. You low-key need a motor cover, bro. You don't got a motor cover yet.
What that is?
It right here, where that green and black shit is. Yeah. That's a gold motor cover. Put that on, bro. That's just gonna be fly. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey, yo, you good, bro? You straight?
My brakes ain't locked up, bro.
Oh, what do you got for brakes?
I got Brembos, but like my lever up, so they don't lock up.
Bro, hey, you know what it is, dog? You need that Factory Z Moto Brake Kit. If you shop Factory Z and you use code Zilly, you'll save yourself 5%, brother. Bro, it's so good to be back in Miami, bro. Vibes are high, everybody's outside. Hey, excuse us, brother. We're out here wilding. That's our bad. Which Surron kid deserves a shift lock the most? We gotta find one right now. Where they at? Come on now. Who needs a shift lock? That's a XXX. He looks like he can use it though. Oh shit, that was dangerous. Oh, yo, yo, yo. The pink shirt? The pink shirt? That's tough. Hey, it's good to see you, bro. That build? Yeah. Hella clean.
Thank you, man.
Oh! Hey, yo! Oh, he's already got one. And that's an E-Ride.
I don't know. He's somewhere around here.
Oh, that's great.
Me?
No, not you. Brother, you have a battery on the way. You have a fully built bike and you're what, 13? I'm 12. Harper's such a little bastard. Hey! Hey, yo! Yo! Ezekiel! Ezekiel, don't ignore me! Ezekiel! Ezekiel, can I please fanboy? Ezekiel, 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 yo, over here.
What? That boy's silly. What
It's
up?
good to see you. Hey, how's the Moxon wheelie controller been? Is it pretty good?
Sorry, bro.
No, I'm dead ass. I've been trying to get one too.
I don't know. I haven't tried it.
You don't have one on right now?
Nah.
Wait, then how do you do that work like that?
I don't know. Just practice.
Yes, sir! Oh, shit, okay. I see you. Do it again, do it again. Yes, sir! Real rider.
Hi. How you doing?
Good to see you, bro. Ah! Oh my God! What is this guy? Oh! Wait, how's he doing that? How's he doing that? Oh wait, Does he have the Factory Z big brake kit? That's gotta be why he can ride like that. Oh yeah, he's got the big brake kit on. That makes sense now. Damn, he's going crazy. Oh, we found a target. Yo, do you have a shift lock?
Yeah.
You do? Damn it, never mind.
Why?
Hey, good wheelies though. You're tough as fuck, bro.
Thank you. Wait, what happened?
Cause we're trying to give away a Factory Z shift lock to somebody who deserves it.
Oh, shit.
Hey, it works on both sides.
Shit, let me rock it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Ultra One.
Ultra Juan?
Yeah.
Hey, congrats, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Shop Factory Z and use code Zilly.
I have a Factory Z on my Ultra V.
Let's
my
go.
white shirt right there? That's my Ultra. It has a Factory Z.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, send me a text on IG later. I'm gonna follow you back.
I got you, bro.
All right, be safe. Let's see the work. Let's go. Yes, sir. Damn, that boy got sumos, and he got a foot brake on the fresh 25 Ultra B. Bro, the desert color looks so good. Let's go, bruh.
It's brand new, right?
Brand new. I picked it up yesterday. Per usual, boys, the rideout meet time is 1 o'clock. Leave time is 1:30, and it is currently 1:15. As always, I'm running late. Oh shit, there's cops right there, bruh. Woo! Luckily, the meet spot for today's rideout is literally all the way down 8th Street, and then we're there. And my B&B is right on 8th Street. Ripping to the rideout. You almost killed me, you jackass! How's Miami been, bro?
Pretty good.
We smoking a spliff on the Kibi Bridge or what?
Oh, is that where we're going?
Yeah.
If you give me some of your water, I will.
No problem.
Good exchange.
How many subs on YouTube to get a free foot brake?
10K.
10K.
10K. What do you got?
I got 1,500. I average like 70K views a month.
7K views? I'll hook you up at cost if you make a full video.
I'll make a full video.
That's
I
like,
don't mind doing it.
it's basically like a 50% discount I'll give you. This would go so hard with some OGZ behind it. Watch out, worms. Surron London coming through. Yes, sir. This is where the kids need to stay chill or they're gonna crash. Way too windy. This kid's tough. Yeah. One hand that bitch, Junior. Yeah, let's go. Hey, it's good to see you today, Doc.
Yo, Garrett Bluff, bro. Took a one-way flight to Donisville and turned the
Bro, I'm so sad he couldn't make it out. I was mad hyped.
bro.
Nah, he low-key got f***ed on, though.
Yeah, I know.
They delayed his flight, and then they delayed 2 more layovers. He would have never made it out. That shit sucks. Hey, yo, Garrett's gonna see all that. Don't be
You, Garrett, you're gonna edit this shit. I know you are. You turkey.
Yeah, let's go. Move. Sorry, sir.
You're good, buddy. Thank you.
Our apologies.
He's 18. Well, they booked him?
Yeah, bro. Hey, they're gonna take him to jail. Y'all are gonna have to bail him out.
I'm 17, we have no parents here.
As long as he's 18, you're good. You might have to find somebody 18 to bail.
Follow us.
Isn't this where the cops were just at?
Dude, would you bail him out for me?
I can find somebody, yeah. One of my boys totally will.
I have money. I have the money.
Yeah, yo, you're gonna have to get his bike out of impound. You need to know the VIN on his bike.
Go. Bike?
Yes, dog, the moto got him. I don't know.
Were you recording?
No, dude, my fucking battery was on 2.
What happened?
Bro, the fucking moto cop pulled up so they had a normal cop pull in.
Who just got hurt?
I don't know, somebody got kicked off their bike by the moto cop, and then the moto cop kept coming.
I watched it happen. I saw the guy get kicked off. People flying.
Alright, let's all go to our B&Bs.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here and
I'll
come
hit
back
you
out
up in a little
tonight.
and bring your shit.
Sounds good, bro.
Is that silly?
Yes, sir. Oh, yo, no way. It's been forever, dog.
Yeah, no. Last mega ride.
Yeah, it's good to see everybody again.
Hey, that boy's wrecked. You see that kid that ran in? Ate shit.
He's fucked. Hey, I'll see y'all boys at the ride tonight, huh? Be safe.